Inergy-Drive water heater fan testing. TAM pulse amplitude modulation is a reliable, yet legacy solution still widely adopted in the Japanese and Korean markets. In this video, we showcase the PAM control option for a water heater fan, adjusting the input voltage from 0 volts to 50 volts. Currently, the wattage is set to 40 volts, with the fan speed at 4,735 RPM. We will demonstrate step-by-step voltage speed control. 50 volts at 113 watts. 40 volts at 68 watts. 30 volts at 36 watts. 20 volts at 15 watts. 10 volts at 3 watts. 5 volts at 0.7 watts. 0 volts and powering off. Here is the solution block diagram based on PAM control. This is our IU639-8 evaluation board. Our Inergy-Drive IU639-8 motor driver IC supports 12 volts to 96 volts applications. For schematic design and full solution references, please contact us for more information. Inergy Global Expansion, energizing the future globally.